Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the UPS system. If you see, first of all, what is the UPS system? It means the uninterrupted power supply. It consists of a set of devices like a converter, inverter and batteries which are connected in series and panel. Normally if you see any system like lighting, power, AC or motors, it requires the electric power supply to run. And also we have some systems like a fire alarm, CCTV, sprinkler system, emergency lighting, data center servers. It requires a 24 hours power supply. Fire alarm and sprinkler system, emergency light, and also we have more. This system we can call it as life safety systems. And the systems require 24 hours power supply. The meaning of life safety system means it can control the fire and it can save the lives. In the normal situation, the main supplies the power to these all systems, including life safety and this lighting, power, and data center server. But when the main supply is off, these all system, including lighting, power, motor, and this data center, fire alarm, everything should be shut down. In that situation, suppose the fire happened, you may not be controlled because your fire alarm system is already shut down. So and also data center and server also be shut down. To avoid this situation, we will install the UPS system and will supplies UPS power to this the emergency systems like. And this UPS, it supplies the backup power to this all emergency system. So friends, these all emergency system having inbuilt batteries for the backup, but it is not for a long period. So that's why we install the UPS system as well. These two are the backup sources here. One is a diesel generator and second one is a UPS system. Diesel generator is for the heavy loads and the UPS is particularly for the emergency systems. Here, this one is a diesel generator and this one is your transformer. Because of some faults, your transformer is shut down, means it is off position. Okay, these all breakers are interlocking. Okay, this one is off, means it will be open. This breaker will open, and this bus coupler will be closed. Okay, and this one is closed, and your diesel generator is start. Okay, then this diesel generator supplies power to these loads, this load and this load. Okay, and you are getting input here. Okay, and the batteries is charging and it supplies power to this emergency load, and this load also working. Okay, in second condition, suppose your transformer is on and diesel generator off. Okay, this one will close, this one close, and this one is open. So your transformer is supplies load to the emergency systems and as well the normal system. Okay, but in the case when the two sources also off, this one off and this one off. Okay, here the UPS system, in the the batteries will supply power to this load and your load is continuously on. So here we are only discussing about the UPS system, not a diesel generator. Diesel generator I will make video separately. Okay, so here we only discuss about the UPS system. So if you see the what are the devices inside the UPS system, first one is a converter and second one is a battery charger and battery banks, inverter and transformer. I will explain you what are the functions of these devices. Let's see, first one, converter means it is convert from AC to DC. Okay, the battery charger, it is connected between the UPS and the battery to help the battery charging. And the battery banks means this one, which the battery banks means number of battery which are connected in series or parallel. It's based on the how much voltage you want and how much current you want. Based on that, you need to decide you need to connect parallel or series. Okay, the inverter means which is convert it is convert from DC to AC. And the transformer, it is used to reduce the interest current. So if you see this figure, this one is an input which is connected to UPS. The outgoing it is going to load, and from the UPS one more is connection going to the batteries. When the output is off, these batteries will discharge and it supplies power to this load. When the input is on, this UPS supplies load from the input, and meanwhile the batteries will charge. So friends, these are the some photos and drawing where I work before. In that project we installed 60 kVA UPS system. I will show you what are the components here physically, and I will explain your drawing as well. So friend, this one is a single line diagram. Here it's showing the incoming is connected to the isolator, the 100 ampere rating, and it's the outgoing connected to the UPS system. It's a 60 kVA. Rating is a 60 kVA, and the outgoing is connected to the 4-ways MCCB board. Okay, and this panel having a 4 outgoing feeders, one is paired, and these 4 outgoing feeders through cable it is connected to the one small dBs, and the dBs are going to the emergency system. So you can see here how the incoming is coming, and how where it is connecting, and how the load is connected to the power. Okay, and we have some photos as well, I will show you. So this, see here, the incoming is connected to the isolator. From the isolator it is connected to the UPS, the back side. From the UPS outgoing, this one is outgoing cable connected to this main board. From the main board, 4 outgoing feeders are there, and these 3 cables is going to the battery. There is 3 way because it is a 3-phase system. We need 440 volt. That's why we use here 3 cables. Okay. So this one also, this one is a UPS, and this one is a transformer. The transformer, why we install transformer here? Because it's reduce the inrush current. And this one is UPS, and the DBs, they are installing the main distribution board. This one is a LCD for the UPS system. This is a bypass, it's off, and the incoming, this one is the incoming AC supply. Okay, from the AC supply, it is the batteries are charging, but the outgoing is, you can see here dotted, but the outgoing is not going because the incoming is already present. So the outgoing is not, the batteries are not supplying, but the batteries are charging. Okay, from here it's going to the converter to inverter to load. Okay, these batteries are charging. Okay, you can see the 42% charging is there inside the batteries, and this one is a load in one phases. Okay, these are the batteries where we install 40 batteries in series. You can see this one is a minus and this one is a plus, which are connected in series. This plus and this minus, this plus and this minus, these are all connected in series. These are the battery racks where you can see how we place the batteries. See the 3 cables you can see here. These 3 cables connected to these batteries. I hope that everyone understand this UPS system and its concept. If you like this video, please press the thumb button and subscribe my channel for the more videos.